Welcome back to my channel with meet our YiZhan's new update. In first, let's meet our Yibo with his unknown season 2 update. Our Yibo's personal IP documentary exploring the unknown season 2 won 2 awards at Tencent Video's Golden Pinyin Award 2025. 2 awards: Documentary of the Year, Members' Favorite Documentary of the Year. Congratulations to the unknown teams. The exclusive producer of Exploring the Unknown Season 2 thanks to our Yibo and said looking forward to the next season. Can stay tuned for the next season of The Unknown and really want to know where Yibo and Unknown team choosing to shooting. They also award winning in the episode of The Unknown where we found the dog playing with our Yibo also wearing the bone collar. Bone necklaces or collars are definitely for puppies. As we knew, we always saw our Yibo wearing it as the one called him puppy. And other action of our Yibo will going to Shanghai International Circuit and he is on his way to the Shanghai International Circuit. On the practice day, our Yibo Instagram has story update, and today our Yibo at Shanghai International Circuit look at his beautiful racing car. It's too fantastic. Our Yibo's new edified racing car is white and car skin has a rock climbing wall paint, snowy mountain, and rise before 2026. Come on, Leica camera also appear. That's why this picture looks so similar. Is this because 2026 is near?